Guona o mwaka makiri ma arutwo makoragwo makirikia mathomo mao na kuhumbo thumbi mathukuru-ini matiganite ma college na university guku bururi-ini na gicunji kinene kiao matimenyaga mararikia thukuru marore na kumana na waagi wa mawira. Riu arutwo a university makiuria mathukuru ma ngathi cia iguru kugia na mubango wa uria manginyitanira na andikani na nigetha kuhurana na thina uyu wa waagi wa mawira.
If other institutions join this program and they form partnerships, it will be better not only for a limited number of students but all students, especially in K.
To focus na unemployment goko bururi witu andu aingi mangihota guthie na kuu mahote guthoma githomo kiu meguthoma na kuu moke guku Kenya mahote ku expand cause of unemployment.
Maugite o mari thukuru-ini wa Mount Kenya University Thika hindi ya ikereka ria kana ria gutwara arutwo a mathomo ma urigitani bururi-ini wa Jerumani guthie kuongerera mathomo na kuruta wira bururi-ini ucio.
Tondu ni kaundu karahitaji ukorwo wi mundu wirutire na mundu wendete guthoma, otherwise ungikorwo ndwendete guthoma na nduri mundu wirutire ndungihotana nayo.
I appreciate the partnership between MKU and the German Institute, where they are helping not only create employment opportunities but also give students like us a chance to go and work outside Kenya.
Among the graduates, yes, I think it's a factor that can help reduce the number of unemployment, because in Germany there are many job opportunities available, so if someone actually checks what they qualify in, they can actually get jobs there.
Munini wa chancellor wa MKU Professor Degliasius Jaganyi akiuga ngwataniro gatagati kao na gikundi kimwe gia bururi wa Jerumani ni tumite mahote gutura mieke ya mawira guku Kenya na nja ya bururi kuri arutwo a urigitani.
Those ones who have gone there are very, 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 very happy. I must tell you that. You should be able to see them when they present online. They are extremely very happy, and they have fitted very well. The program that we have put in place has made them to gel quite well in the German environment.
We are happy to welcome motivated young Kenyans in Germany, and we're looking forward to see them in Germany. Thank you very much.
Companies that can hire.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.